Hi friends, welcome to C language tutorials. In the previous video, I have covered compiler and interpreter. In this video, I am going to talk algorithm and flowchart. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. An algorithm refers to a set of instructions that define the execution of work to get the expected results. You can represent algorithms via flowcharts and pseudocode. What is the flowchart? A flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of an algorithm or programs. A flowchart can be helpful for both writing and explaining the program. They show the connections, flow of information, and processes within an algorithm or a program. Flowchart symbols. The oval or terminator represents the start or end of a process. The rectangle represents a process, action, or a function. The arrow shows the direction and order of the flow. The diamond represents a decision, a question to be answered yes or no, or true or false. The flowchart path may then split off into different branches depending on the answer. The parallelogram represents input or output of information. For example, data entered in a form or a report is displayed. Connector symbol used to connect separate elements across one page. Connection symbols are numbered so that they can be matched, especially important for complex flows. Off-page connector or link symbol connects separate elements across multiple pages with the page number usually placed on or within the shape for easy reference. Example for algorithm and flowchart. Algorithm for finding biggest number among 3. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Input XYZ. That means read 3 numbers. Step 3. If x greater than y and x greater than z, then print x is bigger. Step 4. Else if y greater than x and y greater than z, then print y is bigger. Step 5. Else print z is bigger. Step 6. Stop. Flowchart for finding biggest number among 3. Start. Input XYZ. For example, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 54, z is equal to 23. Compare x greater than y. So 10 is greater than 54. It is false. So no. Again compare y is greater than z. 54 is greater than 23. Yes, it is true. So print y 54. That means y is bigger than x and z. Then stops. This is the example for finding biggest number among 3. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you once again.